Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We have the wide arch as well on this vehicle. Front lower nudge bar. We then have the Raptor style front grille, the daytime running headlights. We have the front mounted light bar. Coming around to the driver's side, take a closer look at the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels just there. We also have side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We then have the roof rails up top, and we do have the rear load bay cover as well just up here. We do have the rear tow bar, front and rear parking sensors on a rear reversing camera. Taking a look at the interior now, if you have a look at the back first, you'll see we do have the half leather seats, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points back here. We also have electric windows on the doors. Same half leather seats for the front with the WILDTRAK logo embroidered just there. Both these front seats are heated. The driver's seat is electrically adjustable. We do also have handle just here, again making it easier along with the side step to get into the vehicle. We do have the automatic lights down there. Multifunctional steering wheel. We then have the power folding electric mirrors, automatic wipers. Dashboard in front of us with the two digital screens either side. If you put our foot on the brake, turn the vehicle on, you'll then find we have the volume buttons here on the left, cruise control, speedometer buttons on the right. We do have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently on the main menu, but we do have all the other shortcuts just down here along the bottom. You'll find it the radio stations. You also have the Bluetooth audio and CD player. We've got the climate control just here as well. We do have the physical buttons for the climate control down here, heated seats either side. It's called air conditioning. If you go onto the settings, you'll find further options which you can scroll through, along with having the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Putting the vehicle into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera along with the parking sensors in the top right. Back into park just like so. We then have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings. We also have the manual handbrake, cup holders and a leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle is available for next day delivery. Thank you for watching.